swear
that I will support and defend
that I will support and defend
the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines,
the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines,
that I will bear true faith
that I will bear true faith
and allegiance to the same,
and allegiance to the same,
that I will obey the laws,
that I will obey the laws,
legal orders,
legal orders,
and decrees
and decrees
promulgated by the duly constituted authorities
promulgated by the duly constituted authorities
of the Republic of the Philippines,
of the Republic of the Philippines,
and that I impose this obligation upon myself
and that I impose this obligation upon myself
voluntarily without mental reservation
voluntarily without mental reservation
or purpose of evasion.
or purpose of evasion.
I further solemnly swear
I further solemnly swear
that at all times and places
that at all times and places
I will adhere closely
I will adhere
to
closely
the ethical and professional roles of teachers
to the ethical and professional roles of teachers
in the Philippines and in the world,
in the Philippines and in the world,
and that I will faithfully discharge
and that I will faithfully discharge
to the best of my ability
to the best of my ability
duties and obligations incumbent
the duties and obligations incumbent
upon a legally authorized
upon a legally authorized
professional teacher.
professional teacher.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations, new professional teacher. Now, summit of our